In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select fingerprint. Now draw your unlock pattern if you already have one, and if not, you will have to provide a new one. That will be the backup to your fingerprint, and then click on next. Now right here you've got the fingerprint sensor, so all you need to do is to touch it with your finger like this. Now keep tapping, and here you can observe the progress. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. Click on done then, and it has been done. So as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device smoothly with this fingerprint only, just by tapping, or you can use your lock screen password. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.